got more Dollar Tree Valentine's Day ideas for you, so let's get started on the first DIY. With this first DIY, we're going to use something old and something new, and both are from Dollar Tree. Last year I did black and white Valentine's Day DIYs, and this was part of one of those projects. I'm disassembling it, but we'll leave that rope loop at the top because we're still going to want to hang this. I found both of these hearts at Dollar Tree. I think they would look really nice layered together. And you can find lots of different patterns of contact paper at Dollar Tree. I like this gray and white one because it's neutral enough to go with lots of different styles of decor. I'm going for an elegant and sweet Valentine's Day look, and I think this will work perfectly. I stuck the wooden heart onto the sticky side of the contact paper and then used an X-Acto knife to trim along the edge. I'll add a coat of pink paint to the unfinished heart, and then I'll attach those together. Today I'm teaming up with my friend Rebecca from Rebecca Virginia DIY. I'll link her below so you can check her out. She does really beautiful crafts, a lot of rustic and farmhouse styles, along with other styles in there too. She'll also be creating Valentine's Day DIYs, so make sure to check out her video after you're done here and let her know I sent you. I'll put her link in the description box below. And if you're visiting Artsy Cupcake for the first time, welcome. My name is Maria, and I love sharing crafts and home decor ideas. If you like the idea of getting creative in your own home, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I share new ideas every week. I found this cute wooden arrow at Dollar Tree and already painted it to match the heart. And I'm going to attach that to the top. I would recommend a combo of hot glue to get that quick hold, and then a little E6000 to get the long-term hold. You were probably wondering what I was going to do with that ugly hole in the middle of our sign. Well, here's my solution. Some greenery and light pink florals will do the trick. I've got a nice little selection of three-dimensional letters here. I like to pick these up from Target's craft section and also from Dollar Tree. I think the silver letters will look good because they'll tie in with that gray contact paper. For our next project, we'll be using this 5x7 shadow box. I've had this for a while and it was part of a set of 3. I think I picked it up on Amazon. If you don't have a shadow box frame like this one, then you could use a regular frame over the top of an empty box and get the same effect. I put together this sign in Illustrator and I printed it out. I have 2 slightly smaller hearts below, and I'm going to glue those together and trim them out. Now I'm going to gently score a line down the center of the heart. You can see I'm using a very sharp X-Acto knife here, but I am just barely pressing down so it creates only a score and not a hole cut. Then fold that in half and smooth the edge down. I used a thin line of glue to attach our 3D heart to our flat sign. I had several ribbons from Dollar Tree. Let me know which your favorite one was. I decided to go with the pink checkered, and I'm going to cut this at angles on the edges and use a bit of hot glue to secure it to the frame. I plan on reusing this frame again, so I'm not going too crazy with the glue on this one. Can you tell I like to upcycle my old projects? I make so many projects that it would be wasteful to not reuse the materials because I can't display so many things at once. So this was a countdown to Christmas calendar I had made. You can find this house in the $5 section at Dollar Tree. It was a natural wood color originally, but it has had a few lives since then. I created a sign for the new front of the house. There is a really subtle wood grain in the background. I don't know if you guys can see that. But then I traced the house and trimmed it out. I used Super 77 spray mount to attach that to the front of the house. I decided to make this more Valentine's-y, and I decided painting the sides a light pink would help. I wanted a little heart to be coming out of the chimney, kind of looking like smoke. Oh, and by the way, I had added that chimney by cutting a Jenga block at an angle and gluing it to the top of the house. So I used some of my Dollar Tree felt and I cut out 2 hearts. I think sewing this would have been a better option, but I used my glue gun to make a little heart pillow, and I think it looks cute and homemade. For the finishing touch, I added a little ribbon to the front and then added a bow. If you were inspired today, please click that subscribe button for more home decor ideas every week. And don't forget to check out Rebecca's video for more Valentine's Day inspiration right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!